all YouTube, so bone stock, you said, right?
Bone stock, 2020 F-150, Coyote motor, 10-speed auto.
The only thing done is you got a suspension. He said he finished it last night.
I got a VAS 3.5 drop kit, and
I was gonna say it's lower than mine. I can tell that. And I got a 2.4 on mine, so I can tell it's a little bit lower. Yeah. I'm looking at your mirror, like, yeah, it's sitting a little bit lower than mine. So we're just running for fun, nothing crazy. He's bone stock. I'm obviously Whipple supercharged. I told him to run. He's got 4-wheel drive. I told him to put it in 4-wheel drive and run it.
You're gonna try.
He's nervous to do it, but nothing's gonna happen. You'll be absolutely fine. You're not. If you were running like 1,000 horsepower, then you know be a little weary. But I know guys with 1,000 that's even running.
Right now, best time's 14.3 at 98.
So maybe you get that 13.
Maybe I'll hit the 13.
You get that. Are you spinning?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. Put it in 4 high. Yeah. Get 4 high. You're probably gonna run a 13, if not a very low 14.
Hopefully we hit 13.9.
Yeah. You should go, man.
The Gen 5 Whipple, it's a 3.0. It's like 8 grand now. Yeah.
You ever heard of boosted F-150?
Yeah.
Yeah, he runs 4-wheel drive all the way down the track, and he does well.
Okay.
Taps 140, so.
All right.
So you'll be fine, yeah.
What year is this? 2020, 10 speed. All right.
Yeah.
Nice. So completely bone stock.
Yeah, bone stock.
But just wanted for fun.
tearing up the track prep. That was a pretty bad spin, but I stayed in it, and hopefully, yeah, I don't know if we got back in the 11s, but spinning. The first 2 runs I hooked up really well. That one I kind of pedaled it and stayed in it. I didn't let out. I kind of let out, but not really, if you know what I mean. Yeah, the track, the prep, as the street cars go on and they do burnouts to get at the line, and they tear up the prep. So we'll get the slip. I'm going to say another 12. I'm going to say 12.0 or 12.1. Nothing too good. Weather's getting worse. Temperature's going up. Humidity's going up. It is going to rain, so humidity's going to be high. And we'll see what this slip says. I know it's like a 1.7, 160, spinning pretty good. So.
Time is over. Put that. There you go.
Thank you. 12.0. .16, and I spun pretty good. Spun really good, actually. So, hey, good mile an hour, though. So let me talk to this guy for a minute. Did you 4-wheel drive? I told you. Good mile an hour, too.
Yeah, picked up everywhere.
Yeah, ran good, man. Yep. I spun pretty good, but I pedaled it and stayed in it. The run before that, I just blew the tires off. Alright guys, leaving the track, got a bunch of good runs in, man. Going to get home, you know, family and stuff like that, and I'm happy how the truck ran. We did get the 11s. We ran 11.900 was the best. I definitely think we could have got the 11.7. I definitely do. Easily think we could have got it still in today's weather. And the second run was the motor was warmed up. We had high IET, so we ran a little bit slower. No big deal. Third one, I completely blew the tires off. Sorry, traffic car's coming. Third one, completely blew the tires off. Had to let out, get back in it. Did like a 12.3. Fourth run, we ran and did a 12.0, but we spun. I had to pedal it, stuff like that. So definitely ran pretty good. Wasn't the best, wasn't the worst. Definitely, I think, had an 11.7 in it today. Definitely, we just needed to run a little bit better, but it just wasn't happening. So maybe next time, fellas. And we're gonna get it, man. We're gonna get it. The 900, we could have definitely dropped the 10th, but we didn't go any faster than that because it just got warmer out. Temperatures got worse. Got about 1600 DA right now. It's getting warmer. Temperatures are higher. Humidity's going up because it's gonna rain soon. So I also want to get home because I do not want to be driving in the rain on these tires, obviously. So that's what it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Click that like, subscribe, whatever you gotta do. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.
Smash!